Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Calculate.
What does the dictionary say?
To determine or ascertain by mathematical methods. Compute.
Math rap.
In math, you need to work things out before the answer you can shout. The process by which you add, multiply, or subtract is when you calculate to get the facts.
Math rap.
What was wrong with the boy that showed up 10 minutes late after the start of the calculus test? Nothing. He was just calculate. What are your thoughts on calculation? What professions require daily use of calculation? Calculate in how many years you will turn 60 years old. Calculate the number of days you've been here on planet Earth. Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!